hey guys, what is up? It's Dr. Regrets back, and I am here with my server. I did start by accidentally press the stop recording button, so that was kind of stupid. I'm sorry, not my server, but I'm on my friend's server today, and you're probably wondering why I'm not on my server. Nachos couldn't fix my server; it was all glitched and stuff. I'm just gonna put this all the way down to here, and yeah, we're coming out with a prison server. We might put some more stuff into it if we actually can be bothered, but we're probably all lazy, so I don't really know. Like, we might put it more in the future, but I don't know. But anyway, I'm here with Sir Iron Knight and Cody371. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So set bedrock. I think I'm in that. Oh, just got it. And I will be doing daily videos, hopefully, on this. And sorry I haven't recorded in a while. I haven't been feeling good, and other various stuff like that. And what's it gonna? Oh crap! Go from the back here. Okay.
Can you hear my TV, guys?
Yes,
No.
I think.
I don't think you're done.
Let me turn off. Let me turn down my TV. So if you guys could hear that.
It doesn't really matter.
Did you put cobblestone in here?
No.
You didn't put cobblestone in this one?
No, I put stone.
Rap.
I put stone.
Oh, then that cobblestone.
Well, it gets made into cobblestone. There's a big difference.
Is lapis same thing as this?
I don't even know how the hell I managed that, but I'm just gonna be happy with that.
Is lapis? Oh, I forgot. What happened? You don't have one lapis. Okay, I need some lapis. I had some lapis too. Okay, 64.
Oh, wait, I'll turn my Minecraft sound down, guys, because I was on a roleplay server, which I won't be recording on, because, I don't really know.
You play on that roleplay server?
Yeah.
I'm a cop on it. Are you a cop?
No, I am a doctor. That's why I have this skin. By the way, guys, I got a new skin. It's actually quite fun, because
I need to get someone to make me a skin.
Like, you know Cody?
Cody,
yeah. He's moaning that he's not getting enough money. Like, he's like starting to get like really annoyed that he's not getting a lot of money to buy a house. I was like, I'm getting plenty of money. I'm a doctor. So I sell like tons of bandages and stuff, and he's getting like really annoyed because he gets like no money at all. So
you can sell weed on that thing.
I know.
Kids, don't do drugs.
Unless you're awesome.
No, don't say that. You're gonna be like, oh, I want to be awesome.
I'm just gonna have like parents at my door just saying, "You made my kid do drugs."
Oh, that's funny. You made my kid do drugs. Okay, guys, what we're gonna have?
It's like mission accomplished.
On here, we're gonna have plot mines. If you buy it,
it'll cost $1 for an 8x8 and $5 for
but like when you buy it, you're not gonna have it right away. We're gonna have to come on and do it.
By 50. So like 20 along, 20 that way, and then 50 down. So
you're gonna have to come on and do it though.
Yeah,
but you have to say that you bought it, and then I'm gonna have to look at Buycraft and see if you bought it.
Yeah, look at the purchases and all that. Yeah, and I will probably mostly doing it because once the server's up, I'll be on. And if you want to ask me questions, if you see me on the server, happily do that. What do you want in this mine?
Amy is gonna help me with a lot of plugins and stuff.
Yeah. Cause,
so he is going to be an admin,
yeah.
And I might make him a head admin.
Co-owner.
I have a co-owner.
Head admin, co-owner, same. They're kind of same kind of thing, but like admin corner, I don't really mind. Slash MRL create. Let's not do the stupid mistake that I did last time.
They get the same thing. Admin owners and everything get the same.
Kits. So we get like
Yeah,
all the donor
kits and
ranks.
everything.
We got the donor ranks, right? Wait,
Yeah.
what is David gonna be? Is he? Oh, there's an AC about it.
David?
Yeah.
Dave? That's the kid that right here?
Serenite, yeah.
So what are you doing on here?
You're not loved.
Well, no, what is he doing?
MRL flag. He's just doing stuff.
He's walking around.
Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna quickly create this mine. Wait, I forgot your name, Cody. I don't even know how the hell I forgot your name. But are we wanting diamonds in this mine?
We're going to have diamonds in like the last few mines.
What?
Was that the quartz?
It's not going to be that OP, dude. I don't want an OP silver.
Nah, but it could be like very rarely diamonds. Like it'll start getting good diamonds up at like K.
Can I ask about quartz?
It put like 5% of diamonds in it then.
Okay, armor flag F mine reset delay 10. Okay, there we go. F mine will reset every 10 minutes. Slash MRL set F mine 30 redstone or 25%.
Okay, can I ask you guys a question?
Oh, probably help if I did the D. Wow.
Is redstone on wood?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, I'm playing my game. You know what game I'm playing. Assassin's Creed Black Flag.
Oh, you're not gonna keep on recording on here?
No, I'm gonna record, but I was playing a game. I'm playing this game all day, trying to beat it.
5%.
The best thing ever is, I knew this goal was a goal, but every pirate thought it was a boy. Thought it was a boy. I was like, she sounded like a girl. She looked like she was a girl.
I didn't mean to do that. 25%.
I was like, she sounded like a girl. She looked like a girl, and you guys are stupid. And then later today, it gets said, "Tell me how you're not a girl." No, I mean, tell me how you're not a boy, because she revealed that you're a girl. I'm like, what is wrong with this game?
Stone.
Are there going to be any quartz in any of the mines?
I don't know.
Quartz are gonna be way on here.
Yeah, quartz are gonna be like an ultra. So I might have just like a plot mine full of one. No, I'm just joking. And anyway, you don't really get a choice of
That's a
what
big
goes in your plot
problem for
mine.
me.
You'll get like a bit of stone, gold blocks.
If you buy, they're gonna be one for $10. If you buy that one, they're gonna be like diamonds and stuff in it.
Like I've got 2 of those mines. I will be paying for them because.
Yeah, he will be paying for them once I get Minecraft.
Or if not, you could just like. Or if not, I could buy like lumberjack axe or something on Titan.
Okay, I'm gonna have to.
What
So wait,
is
how
this?
much do I owe you? I owe you like $10.
You made
I owe
like
you
a
$11.
4x4.
Yeah.
I don't know. I actually got it.
Let's pay $10.
You need $10 what? Okay, so that coal is $3 each, so it'd be 9. It'll be there.
Or 5%. Diamond or 5%. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap up with this episode. I'm just gonna finish this mine. And yes, guys, I will see you guys later. Peace.